What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to show you these FIOBOC MoveMasters stretch jeans. Full disclosure, I did get them to do this video. Let's open them up and check them out. In the package there's these two tags. They got the socials on one, care instructions, machine wash cold, do not bleach, tumble dry low. You can simply remove the tag from the pants. So here are the actual pants. They are quite stretchy. It does have 4-way stretch fabric, giving it a little stretch test here. And the actual stretch fabric is a combination of cotton, polyester, viscose fiber, and spandex. And then the tag on the pants has some specific washing instructions. Make sure to follow so you take care of these pants. These pants do have a really smooth zipper and a pretty straightforward button, as you see there. They are distressed just on the upper leg, as you can see, and there's no lines or pre-stressing anywhere else. And then here's a little stress test on the ankles as well. These specific pants are a slim fit, size 34 in the color black. They do have some other color options, so make sure to check their product page on that. And they're overall very comfortable, especially being stretchy fabric. It just form fits to your body really, really well. And here's what the pants look like with a bunch of different shoes and boot options so you can get a feel for how they lay by the ankle. So that's all for this one. You can check the link around this video if you're interested. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.